Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Tell me what of me.
Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project and add 12 photos. Select Format 9:16 and adjust the photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Check your video. Now apply effect. Go to effect and slide left to frame. And apply MV corner effect. Apply effect till the end. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.